Hello everyone and welcome back to Silly Point. Today we'll be discussing about one of those IPL teams which doesn't need any introduction. The team that has the most competent mind of cricket as a captain and the player who has a whole different fan base. Yes, you get it right. I'm talking about Captain Cool, and the team we are going to discuss about is CSK, Chennai Super Kings. Today we have along with us one of my colleagues, Sudhanshu, and he's happy to join us. And he'd like to introduce you about the retentions that CSK has made. Go ahead, Sudhanshu.
First of all, thank you, Aditya, for having me on the show. So, for retention, I think it is one of the most talked about thing in the town. Ravindra Jadeja gets the first retention, MS Dhoni on the second one. Then we have Ruturaj Gaikwad, the third one, and Moin Ali.
Moin Ali as the fourth one.
Yeah,
Yes, correct. So these four retentions, well, it would have been one of the most difficult, decisions for the management to choose only four players out of such a brilliant squad. And after winning the title in the previous season, and you have to, shatter your team away. And all the star-studded players, like everyone has contributed in some way or the other. They had the likes of such immense, like, you know, the veterans like Suresh Raina, who had performed so good for them, over the years, titled as
third
Mr.
highest
IPL
run scorer, I think. Yeah,
in
right.
IPL. Yes, he was called Mr. IPL for so many years until Virat Kohli, David Warner, and Rohit Sharma surpassed his score. So yes, he has been phenomenal over the years, but this time again, we may not see him in the yellows. Apart from that, we have Sam Curran, who has been an amazing all-rounder for the team and a great add-on lower the order. He can be very handy with the quick runs, quick fire runs, and he has bowled very well as well. He can open the innings for you in the middle overs and even in the death, wherever you want him to bowl. Any player you think who could have made it through the
Like
retentions?
Duplessis, I think
Uh,
Duplessis one just
yes,
missed this orange cap by I think 2 runs, or I think
one
the
run. I
last
think
six
one
wicket.
run.
Yeah, one run. The last six
Yes,
which got caught of the last ball of the
yes.
final match.
Hmm.
That missed him the orange cap. So it's really difficult for some player to be a orange cap holder and still not being a part of those four.
Definitely, definitely, I understand. Well, Faf du Plessis being an amazing player and he opening with Ruturaj Gaikwad would have been, a mesmerizing scene forever. But then again, the management thought Moeen Ali to be a better overseas pick than, all other players that they had. Leaving that aside, this time let's try something new. Which player do you think should CSK go for as an opening partner for Ruturaj Gaikwad in the auctions?
I think it should not be a big thing to get back Faf du Plessis back into the CSK because
Uh-huh.
seeing at the current numbers or the age he's been, so he might be the part of some 4 5 years down the line, and I
Mhm.
don't any other team getting him.
Well, yeah, I
I
think
think
it could be most
people will
likely.
people will go for
Bid
him,
for him.
but
Yes.
CSK will definitely get him back.
Well, well, well. If we get to see these two opening again for CSK, I think that would be one of the best things ever to happen after the auctions. Um, well, I was thinking of having Devdut Padikkal and Ruturaj Gaikwad opening for CSK.
Oh,
What do you think about this combo?
great young players of India. I think
Yes.
who knows they might open in coming days for India team as
For
well.
India too. Yeah, why
Yeah,
not? And
left
again,
right
the deadly
combination.
left hand. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was about to say. Left hand, right hand combination, and both consistent players. So you never know who would be there. So
Yeah,
yes. Well, in a way, if we see about the retentions, the four players that they've retained, they've in a way marked all the boxes. Like they have a top order batsman, they have a middle order player like Moeen Ali. He can bat at number two, like number three or four.
yeah.
And then we have the Captain Cool, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, again the finisher and the brain of the team. I always
Yeah.
say CSK plays with only 10 players and one brain, even though,
Same. I
yes,
believe in the same thing.
Well, I think that's very true because this guy, if he has his mind on the field and even if he doesn't perform physically very well, if he doesn't bat very well or he misses out a few chances in the keeping, which he never does, I'm sure,
Yeah.
which he never does behind the stumps. But if he doesn't perform very well while batting, he doesn't need to because he has players around them and he can use them so very well that it covers up everything. Yes, that
If you
being
will
yeah.
see this season, I
Hmm.
think except the semi-final match or the qualifier one against Delhi Capital, I don't think
Yes.
Dhoni ever batted that way as we wanted.
No,
And
no.
until then, CSK finished on the top and also managed to win the title. So I don't think there is any way out
Any
there.
need? Yes.
Yeah.
So you only need your brain, You need to have one cool, calm brain. You need to have some
And
game
they still
awareness.
had,
Yes.
I think, Dwayne Bravo to bat at number 9 and then Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar on 10 and 11. So I don't think any point is if Dhoni bats or doesn't bat. I think the team was quite strong.
Quite strong. Yes.
Let's
And
hope
after
they
seeing
get
that Deepak Chahar performance in the Sri Lanka series,
it.
well, you can never underestimate him now in terms of handling the bat. He has been brilliant.
And what
We
about
well,
Shardul Thakur?
Shardul Thakur, he is Lord. No comments about Lord. Well, imagine the Mumbai boy playing for Mumbai then. It will all be so crucial, in the mega auctions. It's very hard to say right now, but then once we get there, we'll know how exactly things will happen. It's so difficult, when all the star players from the teams are back in the pool. Which player goes where? Do they want to retain the same players? Do they want to take another players from another team, snatch them away? And then, there are a lot of young guns coming in from the domestic T20 tournaments from India as well. So
Yeah,
there would be an eye on them because they would be, in a way, a cheap buy. Technically, you need to have some cheap players as well if you want to
yeah,
afford more expensive players, overseas players.
it should be a balance of all of
Yes, it
them.
has exactly the point. So let's see what they've got for the auctions then.
I feel they will go for a good fast bowler because I think
Mm-hmm.
that was something which missed. And considering the current change scenario where Chennai doesn't play at Chepauk Stadium and they need to play in Mumbai or Delhi, so
Mm-hmm.
they need some good fast bowler, which was
Yes.
definitely missing in the first half when Hazelwood was not there. But in
Mm-hmm.
second half, he came
Once he
back
was
and
back,
yeah,
yes,
that
he changed
added
the
to their
fortunes.
number.
Yes, definitely. And
They will
again, they will be
definitely go for
missing.
some bowler.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, they will definitely be looking for some fast bowler. Good
Yes,
fast
for
bowler.
sure.
Yeah.
Yes. Because they will be missing the likes of Dwayne Bravo as well, who has been picking up wickets for them forever. And MS Dhoni normally introduces him after the 13th over, so he only bowls the death overs and four in in succession. So someone like him will be missed. The experience will be missed. But it is what it is. Just like AB de Villiers will be missed for RCBs. Now we have this guy.
But he's gone forever. That is a big loss.
Yes. Well, love to you, DJ. And that should be pretty much about Chennai Super Kings. But then we want to see more and more known players, renowned players to play for CSK and never missing out on the fans, the CSK fans. Do you know on Instagram, the maximum number of followers for any team? It is the Chennai Super Kings. It's not the Mumbai Indians, which people misconcept about.
Yeah,
It's only the
80.
Whistle Podu team.
Let's hope if it stays with MS Dhoni going also. Because I
Yes,
think
yes.
maybe some point.
I don't think any of those Chennai fans would ever leave out their loyalty. If MS Dhoni is not playing for them, but he is not even playing for any other team, they are still Chennai fans.
Yeah,
It's all the Thala effect. 13
yeah,
years and Thala winning cups for them. It's actually the consistency, to be honest. The consistency that this team has showed, except for the 2020 season where they ended up in the bottom half of the table,
yeah.
most of the times they have qualified, most of the times, and a maximum number of
I
final
think
appearances is
nearly
also Chennai
every
Super
time. I
Kings.
think. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Nearly every time.
Hmm. So again, an amazing team. It's hard to find anyone who hates CSK. You might be a big fan of Delhi Capitals, but you don't hate CSK. You know, you don't
Yeah,
hate CSK.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
Yes. Um, Amazing brand, amazing management, and let's see what they've got for the auctions. Let's wait for it. And yes, so that's pretty much it for the Chennai Super Kings for today. And we would like all the people watching our videos to like, share, and comment on our videos. And kindly keep watching the channel Silly Point for more, updated videos about the Indian Premier League and cricket. Well,
Yeah.
yes, so that's where we would like to sign off. And thank you for watching. And thank you, Sudhanshu, for coming up and giving us your time. It has been lovely having you here.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Pleasure. All right. See you then. Bye bye.